Hi everybody, Eric Leclerc here, Certified Master Hypnotist. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to quickly and efficiently hypnotize anybody you meet within 1 minute. The key are these two things. First of all, you're going to need two things readily available around the house. A piece of copper, this is a pipe I've cut down to a little piece like this, and an empty jewel pod. It could be any flavor, does not matter. You're going to take the elements of the empty jewel pod and you're going to touch the copper like so. Now you hold everything in your hand just like this. So you can throw them away because hypnotism isn't real. It's like a magic trick. It doesn't exist. Even stage hypnotists know this. It's like selling snake oil. 100%. If you think hypnotism is real, I got some magic beans for you. Please send 5 easy payments of $29.99 to the address below. There you go. There's your video. It's not real.